Every problem has a solution, but before we solve it, we need to understand it clearly. That's where effective problem analysis comes in. Step 1. Identify the problem clearly. Don't rush. Ask yourself, what exactly is the issue? Be specific. Vague problems lead to vague solutions. Write it down in one simple sentence. That's your target. Step 2. Break the problem into smaller parts. Big problems often contain many small issues. Divide the problem into sections. What are the causes? What are the effects? Who is involved? When and where is it happening? Step 3. Gather all the facts. Facts are your tools. Avoid guessing. Collect data, examples, past records, or expert opinions. The more real information you have, the better your analysis will be. Step 4. Look at the problem from different angles. Think like a detective. Ask questions like, why is this happening? What has changed recently? Who benefits from the current situation? Use logic, not emotion. Step 5. List possible causes. Every problem has one or more root causes. Don't settle for surface-level answers. Dig deep. Look at the problem. Different angles. Ask questions. Possible causes, root causes, surface-level answers. Use methods like the 5 whys. Keep asking why until you reach the core. Step 6. Think about the impact. How serious is this problem? What will happen if it stays unsolved? Who or what does it affect? Prioritize the problem based on its effect. Step 7. Compare similar cases. Has this problem happened before? In your own experience or elsewhere? Learning from the past can save time and effort. It can also reveal hidden solutions. Step 8. Summarize your findings. Now that you have all the details, create a short summary. Mention the main problem, its causes, and key facts. This will guide your next step, finding the best solution. Remember, effective problem analysis is about patience, observation, and clear thinking. Before jumping to solutions, take time to understand the real issue.